on the go all of February, so I didn't really make that much like crochet knit stuff, but I was making a shit ton of K-pop freebies. I'm gonna show you how to make phone charms. You don't really need a lot of stuff, and if you're anything like me, you have like a shit ton of beads from your childhood, because that's girlhood, is just like buying up all the beads and then never using them. So I kind of look like a mess because it is March 4th and I am in between neocity stops. I went to Newark and then I'm going to Chicago, which is literally crazy. So I gave out probably 50 freebies in Newark and it was so fun. Loki got mobbed a little bit, but that was so fun. Like, honestly, if you see someone and they've got like a shit ton of stuff in their hands, like, go up to them. Like, they want to give you their freebies. It was really nice to like trade with people. So it's like, if you want to make freebies, make freebies. So I'm going to show you how to make phone charms really quick. To make phone charms, you don't actually need that much stuff. You just need like the little like phone charm thingy and sticks. These are like, I don't remember what they're called, but they're like a jewelry like stick thing that people use for earrings. And then you also need like a pair of like wire pliers. This is going to be used to like curl the wire once you've got the beads on it. And then obviously you need some beads. I have a bunch of numbers right now because my last K-pop concerts, I have no more N, C, or T's left. I've used all of them up on like bracelets and every other things like that. This is my current like bead setup, and so I'm gonna be using these little stars. And I have these are literally from my childhood, but these are small enough that they can like be on the wire without like slipping off. So I'll be using those, and then some numbers. I'll probably do like 1, 2, 7. Yeah, so that's the phone charm we're gonna make. Here is everything I'm gonna use to make the phone charm. So I'm gonna just put this aside right now. This is my stick that I'm gonna use. If it's curved a little bit, it doesn't really matter. On the ones that I got, they have like this little like stub on the back, so I usually put like a little tiny bead on there to like start the phone charm. If you like, I usually also like double check that it's like not going anywhere, because sometimes they slip off and it's like, what was all of this for? Here's the first one. I'm gonna put the star on next, and then all of the letters, and then the last bead. You want to have like a little bit of a stub at the top so that you're able to curl it around. Usually, in order to like hold it so it doesn't all fall off, I'll like stick this on my pinky and like hold them down, and then I'll take my wire cutters. You're just gonna curl it down. This is like really hard on camera, lol. So this is the finished little phone charm. Really cute. And then you just stick the little phone charm thingy on it, and you're done. Boom. So cute. This is actually like the design I have on my phone right now, and I just really love it that it's got like a big bead and then it's just like really simple. So yeah, that's how you can make a little phone charm.